7 o'clock and I'm definitely the last one up. There's some ruckus going on, yelling about a goat, doing something. I don't know what's going on. I guess I'll find out from Mokko in a bit. Hey, big head. What's going on with this ruckus this morning? What's up? What happened?
Well, man come in last night and teach me blood clot. Hell of a goat to blood clot, man.
Someone stole a goat?
Yeah, man. Right here to blood clot, man. Right down here to blood clot and goat. Look, Matthew, look. Come on, look. See what the goat tires are, you know.
I don't know much about goat shit, but this looks like very fresh.
Yeah.
It's shiny.
Yes, this is fresh dude, right? Ah, the goat sleep around here, and you know somebody come and pull the fucking goat. Matthew, yes. That's what me like you. Cause you see things. Then take with the goat, go to the whole fucking rope and gone, man. Nothing good this man to me a blood clot, no brethren. One hell of a goat, so the biggest goat to all of them, man.
Oh, man.
From ground to here.
Oh, yeah, he's like waist high.
Yeah, man.
He's always rubbing on that.
Yeah. When in tight.
They must have got him right in the middle of the night, right? Because I heard you guys up at like 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock. These guys didn't make any ruckus.
That's why I build down the place like this, so everybody can see them one another. See, goat tie down a song, goat a ball, you know, me.
What color is he?
Brown, just like that one there.
But a big guy.
Yeah, man, big woman, man.
Did you see who took your friend? No? Okay.
Somebody, Matthew, that what hurt me, you know, man. Just let me feel it, you know, something gonna happen to me fucking goat this morning, you know, brother. And me get up and something happen to my blood clot goat for you. Man, this walk and come take a meal of a big goat in my yard.
You didn't hear anything last night?
Him saying here.
Yeah, me hear the dog then stop and back. Yeah.
But they're always barking at something. That's the hard thing to tell. It's like...
And thief Jai goat last night. No, the big goat him buy. We look for him, but we don't see him.
You don't see the goat? Goat now, he wouldn't left in our yard the other night. The further the goat left, go and left and run and come around and so. Run, come around and so. That's it.
They know where the food is.
Yes, so anytime I let go the goat hard way to come up here, kind of left them here. Everybody say I must somebody who used to the yard, Matthew, met the dog and do him back.
Oi.
Has that ever happened before here?
No, man.
No.
Anybody may find with me goat, you know. Create a blood clot prison. Me wouldn't left him, you know. It better make me not know if you have my blood clot goat in up there.
They don't know your goat man has seen see you in ball, you know.
That goat anywhere the goat see me.
Yeah.
I can't find him partner.
$10,000 I'm paying for my blood clot goat, man.
$10,000 goat.
$10,000, man.
Oh, man.
10,000 blood clot dollar, you know, yeah. Like
Hey.
done.
Hey.
Rami!
Hey.
Done.
Rami. Leave me alone. You want to fight, huh?
Hey, I'm take picture.
You want to fight? You want to fight?
Yeah.
Hey, tough guy. What's up? News?
Yes, man.
Yeah?
One here, the man tell me to just gas station right
And
now.
so me tell you, say go come and go on.
So me
You dirty clothes.
right now. The man tell me say, he man go show me which part he walk. Go look, so that's why me don't want none of who no go road.
No.
Go tell nobody who.
Because reach where I want.
Me say that man, me I kill out them. When lick me game.
Don't lick nobody. The police them a go say you dirty too.
Yeah, man.
Come on.
Well, we have to go tell the police them, man. Mash it, man. Mash it.
Come on.
Mash it.
Well, we got word from a neighbor that someone with a very similar looking goat is just up the road, so Mokko just ran off with his machete. So where's this goat?
I can't tell where it is in this district. That is district very dangerous.
So the neighbor came and said he saw the goat with someone else? So we got some inside intel.
When the police then come,
Yeah.
then we find
Then
it.
we'll find out. How long do you go to jail for if you steal like a $10,000 goat?
Long.
Yeah.
Long.
Yeah, it's a lot of money.
And when they come for you, you can't tell them say you're not going. They handcuff you and carry to the jail. And you have to stay there. And when you go to court, they handcuff you same way. Put your hand back at
It'd be
you.
rough going to jail over a goat. What's the news?
Well, the news, you know, coming like the whole village say they saw them with me goat and go sell them. Hope so, and down some man, and tell the police if you let them go, you know? You let them go. You let them out.
So did you talk to the cops or just the villagers?
The cops
Yeah.
and the thief come down, they can't say no thief none. And the village people them saying thief the goat. Me I go on a mission right now.
So do you need help with anything? I can run with you or what?
Yeah, what?
I won't use a machete, but I'll use these.
I put me out take off my clothes. Every whole community so then see them.
Really? Just walking away with it.
Put it in a car.
In a car?
Yeah, man.
Shit. Fancy goat ride.
Yeah, man.
I bet he never rolled like that before.
So, we soon come back and do some cooking.
So we've got all the goats tied up tonight, right by the yard, right up in some banana grove here, so make sure they don't get stolen again. Mokko is still pissed. The whole day is done, and didn't get to shoot another episode, so we'll get back at it in the morning.